Hi again. Okay, I think after that Sleeman game with E4, I think I'm going to play C4 if I have white, which I haven't got. So Marita 2-0-1-3. I'll play this, not king to E5, but E5. The from gambit, not from's gambit, or from gambit. God, I keep forgetting. Is it from? I think it might be from. Anyway, so this is kind of an aggressive system against the bird's opening, and it's not particularly sound if white plays and then queen d3 like now. So I end up just playing in a completely unsound way, trying to castle queenside, hoping for some dodgy tactical trap. So anyway, but statistically I think I've done well in it. Maybe I think the move is actually, after bishop e3, why can't I just play rook? Actually, rook h2 comes to mind here. Takes my bishop will be in pre, so maybe rook first to e8. Yeah, just trying to put pressure on e4, I think. Because rook h2, I think I end up losing a piece, don't I? Now I can play it though, surely. So as I say, aiming for a sort of tactical trap sometimes just straight from the opening. But otherwise, if white can play this well and castle queenside, or even this position, it seems, and this bishop f4 is troublesome, king in the centre. I hope bishop f4 is okay. Right, queen h2, or queen h2, queen h4. I mean queen h4. Or is there anything better? Queen h4. I'll try queen h4. So I suppose he has got bishop c6, but I think that'll make it a bit messy if he's going to go with a queen excursion. King can come to d7, and his king might be victimised after. So here though, what am I concretely threatening? If king d2, queen f2. Check. Okay. Another move. I'll play that, I think. Does the queen really want to go to g6? I suppose I want to play for g. Do I want to play for g3? I'm blocking in the queen. But I can't see really what else there is. Yeah, as I say, I don't think this is a particularly sound gambit anyway, but what is he doing here? I think it's tricky for white though. White's got to be accurate here, surely. So we're using a bit of time on the clock. Marita. Okay. So bishop e3 is nothing. g3 probably nothing. A thunderstorm I can hear outside. g5. Okay, queen f5 looks dangerous. Let's do something with this knight. Probably knight d8. Knight d8. So f7 to d6. This 3 minutes seems like a long time for my opponent all of a sudden, you know, being this piece down for just a pawn. Okay, queen f2 here. Queen f2, there's queen e2. And then, doesn't look like there's anything. So, time to play rook f8 or something. I don't know. It's awful. Can I get in g3? I've done this continuation. So queen a6, surely king d7. Right. I'll undouble the pawns. Does that look a bit rosy as I undouble the pawns? The two connected past pawns now. So if I'm not getting mated, and there's no major concrete threat. Maybe there's some emerging hope here in the position. Okay, so King D7, as previously mentioned. So now, I don't know, got Rook F6 here. Yeah. Try Rook F6. Oh, Rook E6. Let's check first. Queen E2. Rook E2. Rook F6. This king's still kind of in the centre. If I can get the rook working on the D file, that'd be great. So a bit of this banana left. So struggling to get back up on this auto pairing. Mind you, 3.5 out of the last 4 was better than this morning's string of losses with the one interrupted win. So actually Queen F2 here looks interesting now. If I drag the queen back, if I can take on D5, I'll be happy in that ending. Surely. Or is it clearly winning for white? I'm undoubling these pawns now, so he's letting me undouble 2 sets of pawns, and his knight's not, you know, the most amazing knight in the world at the moment. So if I can get in F3 and G3, then Philidor's dream will come true. The pawns. So knight F3 threatens knight E5 checks. King E6. Okay, can I get my king? Nope. Knight H4. Hang on. King knight H4. King G4. Knight to F3. King moves. What about C5 first? Just don't give the knight D4. Oh, giving the knight D4, isn't he? By force. But can I work on the queen side here? Rook H6. So now if I'm getting King F5, that could be juicy. If I'm getting King F5, I'd love the king, absolutely love the king to be on G4. To be able to play things like Rook E6 and win the knight with my king, wrench it off the opponent. So, in fact, F3 is now threatening Rook E6. In fact, Rook E6, lovely jubbly, winning the knight on F3. Complete turnaround, but the opponent's time pressure. Hi from Norway, he says. Let's have a quick look at that terrible game. So, yeah, I'm not sure this is. Everyone seems to know Queen D3, so I don't recommend this. Don't try this at home. You just end up a piece down sometimes like this with nothing. He gave me something because he undoubled 2 sets of pawns, and so it wasn't so easy, even a piece up in this ending. It was actually kind of difficult for white. Please leave any comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.